Hey guys, this is Neja Jasundar here to empower your inner video creator. This is the final part of how to use AI to edit an image. If you haven't watched the previous videos on the desktop version and on the mobile version, you can head over to the playlist that is designated for AI features that are on the desktop version and the AI features that are designated for the mobile version. So make sure to check them out so you're not behind on the new features available on Wondershare Filmora. If you're new to Wondershare Filmora, head over to wondersharefilmora.com or click the link in the description below so you can have the software downloaded onto your PC. But if you're already a user of Wondershare Filmora, you can head over to check for updates in case you don't know whether your version is up to date and to ensure that you don't miss out on features. Without further ado, let's proceed with our tutorial. The feature that we'll be using today is called AI Skin Tone Protection. Like the name suggests, it's about protecting the skin tone of the people in the video. What happens is that when you change the color or you add a different color like green, you'll still see the same skin tones of the people, only that maybe the colors of their clothes and the background might change. I already have imported my footage using stock media, so you can do the same. Or if you have a video of your choice that you want the skin tone to change, you can add it in onto your timeline. Afterwards, technically what you had to do after you've dragged in the video, the next step would be to double click on the video and then you'll head over to color. Now the placement of the area where you see this window would be different based on the layout that you have. I have classic layout, but if you have some other layout, it might be in the middle, it might be on the right. It actually depends. So you can change it accordingly. I prefer classic mode because some features are omitted on the others and they are only allowed to be used on the classic mode for reasons, so I suggest you switch on to classic mode because it's much easier and not compact. Alright, back to editing the video. What you gotta do is click on the video again. I'll be double clicking on it. And I head straight over to color, but if you head over to video because you're doing it for the first time, just click on color and then scroll down and you'll see LUT, L-U-T, and make sure it's on because that's where you'll find the skin tone protection feature. And maximize the level by heading over to the value of 100. And as per this level, it'll allow you to have the maximum results without affecting the skin tone. I'll be using some LUT presets, and as you can see, when I hover on top of each and every one, the skin tone of the people do not change. They remain the same, but it's just the colors of their clothes and the background that changes. So I clicked on one of them, and you can see that only the person in the middle has an effect on her face. Like the color of her skin changed a bit because the lighting wasn't that good, but other than that, others remain the same. So that's how the feature is very good to use, especially if you want to change the background of your screen, like the color, like you think it didn't match the colors of the costumes or the attire they were wearing. You can always use this feature to ensure that they match, and you'll have the privilege of not changing the skin tone. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed using the AI skin tone protection feature. There are definitely more features available on Filmora that use AI, so stay tuned for more tutorials on them. And I also have more videos coming up, so stay tuned for them. See you in the next video. Bye!